Hey friends, guess what? I am back in Florida. My wife and I are on vacation. Just the wife and I, we drove her Cadillac down and we used VRBO to get ourselves a place to stay. Super excited. Gonna go to Disney, gonna go eat a lot, and just enjoy this beautiful weather. It's hard to explain to people. One of the things I love about Florida are the heat and the humidity and the clouds and the palm trees and the sunshine and the grass and the trees. Well, let's be honest. It's beautiful. We're gonna do some cool stuff over here. We're gonna go to Disney, go to Disney's Animal Planet or Animal Kingdom, Epcot, the boardwalk. We're gonna do all kinds of fun stuff. Another cool thing we did, we drove down in my wife's Cadillac, which just put a new stereo in, all that fun stuff, but we used VRBO to get a house to rent. Normally, we'd use like a resort, have a hotel, something fancy, you know, one of the theme park resorts, but we decided we wanted a little bit more privacy this time, so decided to try out this VRBO thing and see what we think of that this time. And this one is really cool. The one we picked out is themed. It's Disney themed. So inside here, you're gonna see all kinds of stuff. You're gonna see Mickey Mouse everywhere. You're gonna see Disney stuff everywhere. You're gonna see Star Wars stuff everywhere. And one of the cool things, even the bedrooms are themed in this place. So here's like a Frozen bedroom, which is really cool. So if kids are along, they can check that out. And even the bathroom's themed. It's a cool Mickey Mouse themed first bathroom that the front couple bedrooms here can share. And then here's the cool one, guys. I might sleep here. I might make my wife sleep in the other room by herself. This one is the Star Wars room. Oh my gosh, totally dig this. This is awesome. See, me and my boy Yoda right here is gonna chill and hang out, sleep in here tonight. So right inside the front door, there's those two bedrooms there, the Star Wars and Frozen ones, and then that's kind of looking into the living area, dining area. Across the hall here is a garage, and this place, like a lot of others, has done something really cool. They've turned it into this awesome game room. So we've got a pool table, we got a little table with some music, some couches, TV, and look at all these Disney VHS tapes. That is cool. And this home in particular is really cool. It even comes with strollers that you can use and things like that for little kids if you brought little kids. And of course, it's just my wife and I, we're big kids at heart. And there's just all kinds of fun stuff here. Table tennis, all kinds of cool stuff. And again, they stuck with the Disney theme throughout the home, which is super awesome. This place is like 5 minutes from Disney. It's right down the road. They were even kind enough to provide some reading material if it was a rainy day and you weren't doing anything, I guess. All right, then coming in a little bit further, again, Disney theme, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse stuff everywhere. This home is just awesome. It's really cool. And then here is one of the bigger bedrooms. Looks like a king size bed in here. Got again, just some more, Disney themed stuff through here. The wall art is really cool. Nice little TV. This one here does have a bathroom off of it as well. And there's a closet. This is a nice little room. It's good size. This would be like an adult room, obviously. And then coming out of that bedroom, get a little computer area here with a little book full of information with some local guides, things like that. And then a super nice seating area for like a living room, common area, nice big screen, smart television, and they've got cable internet, Blu-ray player, all kinds of cool stuff provided in this home. Awesome kitchen area, nice island in the center, dining room table, and then off the kitchen, nice little laundry area, which is super neat. Just so open. And then right back this way, the final master bedroom. This is the bedroom my wife and I will be using while we're on this trip with a just huge bathroom. It's got a shower, tub, and then access to the pool area right off the toilet room here, which is cool. This bedroom, definitely more adult themed. Still really cool, like beach themed with the wall art. And then you still got your Mickey Mouse stuff on the wall. Can't give up the theme in any of the rooms. Again, really cool place. First time doing something like this. And one of the main reasons we decided to go with this is what's outside on this patio. This home has a pool and a hot tub. And it has quite a bit of privacy. You can see the back opens up to like a nature center. There's bushes between the neighbor pools and this home. It is awesome. This home here, they even include an outside grill for you. Because of HOA rules and stuff, the grill sits right outside the lanai here. you do have access to a grill if you wanted to grill. Nice outdoor seating area there. Some more chairs here. We've got some more chairs right over here. Plenty of space. I think they said up to 8 people can fit in this one home, which was something we considered doing, was bringing the kids and stuff with us, but we wanted to check it out, just have our own little private vacation. Another cool feature, as you can see at night, we got pool lights and hot tub lights. So it makes it so hanging out outside in the evening is super awesome. And then you can still see the television through the doorway there, like if you got football on or something. All right, it's a beautiful morning here in Florida. It's sunny in the 70s right now, it's warm. Decided to come out and check out the clubhouse here at the place where we got our VRBO. They do have a nice little tennis courts up here by the clubhouse for anyone who wants to come play tennis, which I was actually telling my wife we should grab some tennis rackets and tennis balls. Could have a new hobby. On the back side of the clubhouse, they do have a swimming pool, a little water area for kids to play, a park area where you can grill and kind of hang out, which is really neat. And here's the entrance to the clubhouse, really nice looking little area. Got some golf cart parking over there, nice little patio area welcoming you in. There's a store, fitness room, games, and theater.